Hello?
Today we go to the zoo.
Zoo.
This is Dad Andrew.
This is Mom Hallie.
And this is baby Michael.
We go to the zoo.
Let's go.
We are at the zoo.
Look, animals.
Wow, animals.
Look,
This is a lion.
The lion is big.
yes, it's a big lion.
Big lion.
Look,
This is an elephant.
Elephant.
the elephant is big.
Very big elephant.
Wow.
Look,
This is a giraffe.
Giraffe.
the giraffe is tall.
Tall giraffe.
Look,
This is a monkey.
Monkey.
Lion, lion. Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe. Monkey, monkey. Animals at the zoo.
hello, friends.
Hi, everyone. What a lovely day. Let's play.
We love animals.
The zoo is fun.
Yay.
Bye-bye, zoo.
See you. Bye.